to duck like this. You have to duck. Playing with your new toy. Got me hat on.
You have to say thank you for that.
There's nobody there.
Not live yet.
It's live.
Oh, you are.
There's nobody there. Do you want to go and tag someone?
I suppose I should.
Who are you going to tag?
I suppose I should tag. Stu.
You might want to tag. I know there's one coming off James Mitchell, so you might want to tag James. But that's Tony, Adele and family. And this doesn't have a name on. This one just says notneuk. So
can you open that one now?
I'm going to open them both in a minute.
Whoever that is, they've got really nice handwriting.
I know.
So.
I think I know that one's off. But I'm not 100% sure. I'm not saying.
Who do you think?
I'm not saying.
Why?
It looks like Shaheena's handwriting. Or Paul's or whoever writes on their parcels.
Okay, well, that make it so if they said that they're giving you anything.
All my rubbish. All my rubbish. That's because I've had to tidy that. Well, sort of tidy that corner for the Christmas tree.
That's my Christmas stuff.
Tony was sat there hiding it all.
Why is it so cold?
So, oh, you got two people watching.
I tagged a few.
I
Open
can
and
see.
tag the rest.
Another one, look. There's Tony, look. I told you he was going to come and sit down and hide all the rubbish. Hide my messy living room. I'm not waiting for people, you know, because I'm too excited.
So, whoever this are off, you might miss this.
Hi, Magnus. Hi, Kim. Kamala.
I'm going to get me wool cut later on.
Stephen Gibbs.
Stephen Gibbs, if you'd like to tag Stephen Gibbs.
Merry Christmas and all the best for 2021.
You want me to tag them?
No.
Plot 34A, Chilli-heads.
Hi, Phil. Oh. That's a new one.
Yep, not seen that one before.
No. Oh, careful, please.
Sorry.
May contain nuts. And if you're wondering why the camera's bouncing like that,
It's because Amy's knocking everything.
I got sent an arm for holding the phone, and we're using that, and it's attached to a table that Amy's bouncing.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to be.
So stop bouncing, stop being on there. While we do this, come and join in.
Really?
Yellow submarine chilies in that
Yeah.
one.
We've never had any of these.
I was thinking that one looks like pumpkin.
I like these new labels. They're shiny. They never used to be shiny, did they?
Ha.
In this one, it says for the family.
Is it? If it is off Shaheen, is it an Alfie Teddy?
I don't know what it is.
I don't know what they are.
If it's off Shaheen, can it really be Alfie? I don't like cats, but I like it.
I'm going to say you can't put a cat in a box and post it to a post.
Yes, you can.
You can't.
Oh, I can't do that one. You want the scissors? Ah, little tiny scissors.
I know someone that was sent a praying mantis.
It's got a wrapping paper on!
Wait, are you allowed this now?
Oh, I don't know, it won't come out.
So there's another then.
Packing peanuts!
Yay, Molly's happy.
Card.
Notneuk Christmas. Is there a card, did you say?
I thought that was.
No, that just says Notneuk Christmas. So, Amy, do you want to come and sit in here and open this up?
Okay.
Put your sweets down.
Yeah, you can open that one.
Move
I'll
that.
move over there. You move into there.
You sit in there and unwrap this.
Is there any
Yeah.
actually?
Oh, yeah.
What about this? Oh, yeah.
Can you see? I don't know if you can see because it's in gold writing.
What is it? That's
It
nice.
says from Notneuk.
And in the box.
Oh.
Have one.
This.
I've no clue.
There you go.
Really.
Go on, pull it, pull it, pull it.
Oh, marshmallows.
Oh.
Hot chocolate mix is what I'm thinking of. By looking at that.
Right, hang on.
Buttered the marshmallows.
Hang on. That's for Daddy Bear. Oh, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Daddy Bear. Mammy Bear.
Something tells me.
Big Sister Bear's Norrin. So I'll get her to do a live later opening hers.
They smell nice.
Baby Bear.
They smell really nice.
1 heat teaspoon per 100 ml mug. I know this is off.
I do too.
This is off Diane Marie.
I was about to say.
Diane Marie made the best hot chocolate last year. Can you remember?
Yeah.
Oh, little wooden coaster.
Oh, wow. Oh, look.
How many have you got?
Diane Marie writes a lot like Shahina. The handwriting's
noticed.
similar. Now you know what Diane Marie wanted to know your name for.
Yeah.
Because she asked me, didn't she?
Fine.
What does yours say? Oh,
I'm
wow.
going to put mine on because my cups always fall off there.
They do, yeah. You put that over there.
Put that over there.
You put that. Put that.
Ah.
Smells nice.
Do it.
Amy Bear.
I'm got
Wow.
minis there. I want to know what minis say.
Well, I'd know what Minnie should say, but I don't
Yeah,
think I should
me
say it
too.
on camera.
What is it? It looks sort of white.
I've just been close to you and you just came home from school and haven't been sterilised yet.
So, who do we say thank you to? Stephen Gibbs.
Stephen
A plot
Gigs.
405. No, not
Plot 34, yeah.
34 And Diane Marie.
Diane Way.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
So is it wood cutting, carving? Whatever you do with the laser thing?
Yeah, that's what this is. I think. Laser cut.
Yeah.
They're lovely, aren't they?
I'm going to move away from.
So what do we say?
Ready, go.
Say bye. Thank
Bye.
you.